Let's fix that annoying Max loading screen right now so you can get back to your show.
We've all been there. Movie night totally ruined by that infinite loading logo. Let's fix it fast.
Here's our 5-step game plan. We're going to start with the absolute easiest, most common fixes first.
Step 1, check your network. Honestly, it's usually your internet. First, test it using an app like YouTube.
If it's lagging, unplug your router, wait a good 15 to 30 seconds, then plug it back in.
Still stuck? Try connecting to a totally different Wi-Fi network or switch over to your mobile data.
Keep in mind, Max needs a bare minimum download speed of 5 megabits per second just to run.
But for really smooth streaming, 10 to 15 megabits per second is the sweet spot. Check your speeds.
Also, if you're running a VPN or a proxy, turn it off. Max actively blocks those services.
Step 2, troubleshoot your Wi-Fi. It's crazy how simple physical changes can seriously boost your home's signal.
Move closer to the router, clear any physical blockages, and shut off interfering devices, like microwaves.
Step 3, server status. If your network's fine, the glitch might not even be in your house.
We basically need to figure out if it's an issue on your end or an issue on Max's end.
Hop on to downdetector.com or the HBO Max subreddit. See if other people are reporting massive server outage.
Step 4. If their servers are actually up, it's time for a hard restart of your app and device.
First, fully force close the Max app. Just swipe it right out of your device's recent apps menu.
Next, completely reboot your phone, TV, or tablet. This easily clears out those annoying temporary system glitches. Step 5. If that infinite loading is still happening, you might have a buggy or corrupted app version.
Head to your device's app store. If there's a Max update sitting there, install it immediately for fixes.
As a total last resort, you'll want to completely uninstall and do a fresh download of the Max app.
Tried absolutely everything and still can't stream? It's time to reach out to the official Max Help Center.
Troubleshooting is pure trial and error. So which one of these steps finally saved your movie night?